In this video, we're going to show how to set up some global preferences for the AI Writer. So you'll just click the Preferences button and then go into the AI Writer tab. And you'll see your user ID password is already set in here. If you had to change your password, or if you lost your account, if you need to delete a user, if you need to change your password, recover a lost account ID, delete a user, you can do that here. Normally you're not going to have to do any of that. Maybe if you're managing multiple user accounts on an order, you might be doing some stuff like this. Okay, so if you click the How to Write Defaults, these are the same drop downs you'll see in your project screen. And whatever settings you set here will just be the defaults that always show up for every new project. That way you can set your defaults and don't have to tweak those every time you create a new project. That's pretty basic. Global instructions. Now your instructions files that we've gone over in other videos, if you create global versions, it's the same set of instructions: company data, client, project, quote, writing instructions, and then per page instructions. Whatever instructions you create here in the preferences, every time you create a new project, these global preferences files will be copied into your project. Because it's a copy in your project, that means you can further edit it within each project and make project-specific changes without having to, say, rewrite that whole instructions file every time you create a new project. So this might be good for company-wide information that's going to stay the same or almost the same for every proposal. Or if maybe you want to set up a template for clients that you can just then, per project, drop in specific client information quickly. And the other screens here, and the other buttons here, are just general account information. You know, you can redeem AI credits codes, hop over to the website to purchase more credits, or log into your account. If you've seen a wizard update, you can get the upgrade here. If you have connection issues you want to test to make sure that everything's working properly, this test will actually give you an idea if you have an internet connection, or if you have an internet connection but say the AI Writer might not be responding, or if the AI Writer is responding but the third-party AI system behind that isn't responding. This is a little test that might tell you exactly what's going on. So that's about all there is to that. If we've put out an upgrade to the wizard, your wizard will pop up a prompt saying, hey, there's an upgrade available. This button will become available. You can just click that to go to the website, download, and update. And if you needed to assign your wizard to a different order number or set up a new user account, you can just do that on the screen. And the Configure AI tab. These will be a little deeper settings you probably don't ever have to change, but you can do things like set the spacing of numbered lists. Maybe if you have a spotty internet connection, you might want to increase timeout and queue retries. You probably don't have to change any of these. If you want to have the wizard skip some of its post-processing formatting, you can turn those off here, maybe if you need to get around something that the formatting might be doing in a analyze or organize operation, for example. Or if you're creating pages with lots of tables, the table processing can take a little longer when it's applying color schemes, just due to Word and how long it takes to do that on long tables. So since that's applied later during the assembly of documents, you could just turn this off during the AI writing process. So you got a few customization features here. And that's really all there is to the wizard's preferences for the AI Writer. Let us know what you think in the comments below. And click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.